Hello everyone, today we'll do this split and how to stretch and preparing your body for future beautiful splits. Stay with me and I will show. So first what you're starting to do, we'll get in this position and close our hip, open, 2, open, 3, open, 4, open, 5. Okay, let's try take our leg. First what you will do, take strong and take push up, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we will try to take our leg and slowly pushing it up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try keep the balance in this position. So guys, if you want amazing splits, stay with me because I will show you all exercises which you can do for free. Okay, after that we will try take up our body and sit. 2, sit, 3, sit, 4, and try take our leg in this side and still. Take 2 legs together, take our breath, slowly breathe out and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I will hope that you like this video, like this exercise, follow me and takes me likes. So bye bye.